Myself, Dr. Shamlendu Chakraborty from Asansol, West Bengal. I am practicing dermatology for a long time. Today, my topic is role of minoxidil in hair fall. Actually, you know everybody that hair fall in male and female, particularly in adults, is a very distressing thing. In male, we see there are so many bald persons, bald-headed person, and is female also not bald-headed, but there is thinning of hairs. The patients are coming regularly in our chambers. The main cause of this sort of hair loss or hair fall, that is called alopecia. Actually, it is a hereditary factor, is one of the most important factor. What you see, particularly in bald cases in male, that is called androgenic alopecia, where the hair follicle shrinks and the hair growth automatically, hair growth also becomes slows down. And in female also, we see lot of alopecia is there, hair fall is there, that is diffuse alopecia. Male type, alopecia, female type alopecia is there. So then you see, so to combat this thing, to overcome this thing, practically minoxidil we are using for a pretty long time. In 1960s, minoxidil actually first it was used as a in case of severe hypertension and refractory hypertension, but during use it has been seen that loss of there is more hair growth in this sort of scalp and other areas, and from that time we started this sort of minoxidil used in topical form, and it is minoxidil is the we get in the market in the 2%, 5%, and 10%. Usually we use 5% minoxidil. It actually shortens the resting phase, and it increases the lengthens the growth phase. Automatically, when we shorten minoxidil shortens the this sort of resting phase and increases this growth phase, automatically hair fall will be less and hair growth is also, it will be fast. When the minoxidil is used, first few months, you may or may not find any improvement, and sometimes it is seen that hair fall is more. That is called minoxidil shedding. That is due to this sort of sudden change in the hair cycle. But ultimately, after a few months, usually after 8 weeks, we can see the growing of hairs. You can see. First, in male, it is found in the crown. The thin hair is there, and some light colored hair is there, and thinner. Later on, it will be darker, thicker, and also it is longer. So, and the side effect is very less, almost only some sort of itching in the scalp and irritation. And when we use the higher concentration of that is 10%, sometimes there is some chest pain and other problems is there, discomfort is there. If it is more, then we'll have to stop it. Otherwise, we can use. As a whole, minoxidil is a very safe drug. It is not a problem at all. It is not only used in the sort of diffuse alopecia, it is also used in the alopecia areata, where patchy hair loss is there in the beard, in the eyebrows, in the scalp here. This is called alopecia areata. This is nothing but only some sort of immune system, which this immune system attacks the hair follicle, and sort of that's why hair fall is maximum. The immune system is changed. The alopecia, and one is the trichotillomania is there. when we can unresistible hair plugging. Particularly, you see that some people, women or men, they are usually plucking the eyebrows and this sort of hair scalp hair, everything. So this sort of hair fall is there. Hair losses we can see, but in all these cases, particularly in alopecia areata also, we can use minoxidil. And in case of male and female pattern hair loss, we basically use minoxidil for a pretty long time and without any remarkable side effects. So now I see we can tell one thing, that minoxidil is safe. You can use minoxidil, but remember it will take some few months and you will get remarkable improvement only after 6 months. So 3 to 6 months, you will have to wait minimum. And after 6 months, you will find, if you use regularly, without interruption, definitely your hair fall will decrease, and the regrowth of hair will be definitely there. And I think you will be mentally also very happy. And stress is one of the most important factor. Don't be nervous. Don't get more stressed, because the more this stress is there, more will be hair fall. So try to pass your days and not stressful, with healthy life, and healthy food is there. Vitamins and proteins will have to take more and more. That's all. I think I have concluded in a very short time. Thank you, everybody. Have a nice night. Good day. Good night.